Hello. So this is a geometry problem using SAS theorem. Okay. So as in this triangle, first we'll try to prove that they are congruent, and then we'll write a congruence statement. Okay. So as it is given here, EF and AB, they both have the same tick mark. So EF is congruent to AB. Okay, so this is one side. Then ED is congruent to BC. Okay, this is one side. And angle E, which is the included angle between EF and ED, we can see here. Okay, we can see this is the included angle between this line and this. So angle E is congruent to angle B, which is given. So this is EF, angle angle E is included, and angle D. Okay, so we can say that this triangle, these both triangles are congruent by SAS property. Okay, because AB is congruent to EF, it's given. BC is congruent to ED, and angle AE is congruent to E. So with SAS property of congruence, we can prove that these are equal. Okay. Now, we can make a congruent statement. So let's put this. We know when we make a congruent statement, we have to put the corresponding parts in the order. Okay. So let's first start with the angle. So angle E is congruent to angle B. So we put it first, both, because when we write congruent statement, we put this corresponding parts in the order. Okay. Now ED is congruent to BC. So ED and BC. So D is same as BC. Okay. And so D is the corresponding part of C. Now the remaining is F. So F is congruent to A. Okay. So this is our congruent statement. So now we can say that angle A is congruent to angle F. Okay. So, and that is equal to 2y minus 26 degrees. Okay. We know that in a triangle, sum of angles is 180 degrees. So, angle E is given as 5y degree. Okay. So, let's first write considering angle triangle EFD. Okay. So angle E plus angle F plus angle E plus angle F plus angle D is 180 degree. Okay. So angle E is 5y. This is 2y minus 26 degree, and angle D is given as 38. So this gives 180 degree. So this gives 7y 180 minus 12. Okay. So this gives 7y is equal to 168 degrees. So y is equal to 24 degrees. Okay. And now we have to find x. Okay. So we know that AC with this congruent statement, okay, we see like ED is equal to BC. If I write this congruent statement here, okay, so ED is equal to BC, we know it was given also, and DF is equal to second and third coordinate here is equal to CA. Okay, is congruent to CA. Now what is DE? DF? Segment DF is congruent to AC. So DF is DC plus CF. Okay. And CA is CF plus FA. So CF and CF cancels down. So DC, which is given half 4x minus 16 is equal to FA, which is given 6. Okay. So this will be 2x minus 8 is equal to 6. So 2x minus 2x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 7. So we got x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 24. Okay. Okay, thanks. And let me know if you have any doubts regarding this. Thank you.